What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Veronica. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, baby girl. Come on over and join the fam. And gents too, let's not forget about y'all if you're watching. Yeah, come on over and join the fam. We are on the road to 50K. So I know you guys have been seeing like a lot of headband wig tutorials that's going on YouTube right now because of the lace shortage. So like, what are we going to do?
What we gonna do without, you know, we need our lace, you know what I'm saying? So
I am doing a headband wig tutorial from Luvme Hair. Thank you guys. Shout out to y'all for sponsoring this video. So let's go ahead and hop right into this tutorial. The presentation is like really nice. I love how they have everything just set up inside of the box. Like everything looks so good. This is the unit here, and it comes with headbands. I'm gonna open those, and it comes with a note: enjoy your hair journey from now on, Helen, the founder of Luvme Hair. And of course it comes with a wig cap and a cute little pouch that says Luvme Hair and some goodies inside of there and their brochure. So these are the headband wigs that came with the units. It comes with 5. I'm not sure if, you know, everyone's come with 5, but yeah, these are super cute. As you guys know, if you have been following me for a while, this is my fave. Cheetah print, leopard print, all that. Now let's get into the cute little pouch. It comes with the edge brush. What is this called? I can't even remember. What is this called? Yeah. Hairpins, tweezers. Oh, this is cute. A Luvme pen. Oh, wait, it's upside down. Luvme pen, that's really cute. And this is the edge wrap. I need that, girl, because my edges be all out of way. This is their 18-inch water wave headband unit. This unit can be straightened out. I will do that in this tutorial as well, so you guys can see the versatility. This is the inside of the unit. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 in the front, and of course 1 in the back, and this is Velcro. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and do our edges. I am using Edge Tamer by Eben. Go in with my edge brush. So now I'm gonna go in with my Luvme head wrap and wrap up my edges. I need to pull this back just a little. Don't worry about that white stuff, y'all. It's just a little edge control, you know. Y'all, look at how bomb this hair is. Yes, the Luvme. Yes. So let's get this girl on. And I ain't even done though. That's the crazy part. Okay, so this part, I'ma fold it because, girl, my forehead is already big. So we'll need to add nothing extra, okay? Looks so much Now I'm gonna go in and show you guys just some cute hairstyles that you can wear with this, other than down. Of course, this one gonna be my first one, you know, because I am just so in love with cheetah print, leopard print. What print is this? I don't even know. Love me. Okay. You showed out. You showed out with this one, honey. Then you can do like a cute little lazy bun or something, girl. Fluff her out a little. Yeah, that's cute. This is something that, girl. What is you doing? What you doing? My agent said, girl, not today. You can wear this to the gym or something. And you can do just something more chill, relaxed, going straight to the back. So if I straighten this hair, it'll be giving me a little booty action, you know. Then you can do a up and down pony that is giving me summer vibes. Alright, you guys, that was like a few of the hairstyles that you can wear with this headband wig. As I did state it before, this hair is from Luvme Hair. It is their 18-inch water wave hair, and also this hair can be flat ironed. This wig is so convenient, beginner friendly. Don't have to worry about any lace, any glue, anything of that nature with this headband wig. Girl, just throw it on and go. It also protects your edges. It looks super natural. It's so thick and full. If I had to rate this hair, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. This hair is so nice. No shedding at all. All the information about this hair will be in the description box below. So I do have a coupon code to get y'all some money off this headband wig. It will be in the description box below, and it will be right here. I will see you guys in my next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. Comment below and let me know which hairstyle that you guys like the most. Don't forget to subscribe.